welcome to another video. So today is another different video. I hope you guys like these different videos that I am doing. I mean, they are still nail related, but so today we are going to be doing a acrylic mixing. So this company was kind enough to send over some of their mica powders, and we are going to be mixing up some different types of acrylic, and we are going to swatch them, and that will be the video. So on that note, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see, oh, what am I talking about? Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when I do upload another video. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so these are the items that they did send over to me, and these are the mica powders, and this right here are glitters that they sent over to me. How cute are those? So we're going to be making a glitter mix. So you can use these powders with anything. You can use them with soaps. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and open these up so that you guys can take a look at how they look.
I'm doing what I should.
So far I am loving it because it has this up here, so let you know that you can spoon it and you can sprinkle it.
Parking lot downtown, go around looking raw, acting like we on one. Couple times I synthetic, whole squash, blast, single cigarettes on cheap vodka. Thinking about way back when, can't take it from me, fresh, no problem.
This is a lot. This is, you can, if you are into making your own glitters, this would be good because you do get a lot, and this is a very big container. So yeah, you can get a lot out of this. All right, next we're going to open up this red one, and I will leave the names on the screen of these, the name of these glitters on the screen.
Speeding down Plainfield, fast coming out, 5-second handshakes all around. Chasing dreams, all we were allowed.
That is also gorgeous. And I also do have these little ones, and it comes with a little scoop, so that's very convenient. So I'm just gonna put, no, I'm not, okay. But you can already tell, like, this is like iridescent. This is so pretty. I never worked with mica powder before, so this is my first time. So if I mess up, please bear with me. I'm glad that it comes with a cover on top.
Felt like I was chosen, I had clarity in what I wanted, swear it was bespoken. R.I.P. to Abuelita, always told me I'd be good. She saw me, now she smiled that I'm doing what I should. I got you here, everything to here, to here. Now I need two pairs, now I need two chairs. Now I got you here, everything to here. 4K too clear, X is too weird. None of my booze here, none of my booze here. I order drinks for two, like it when I think for you. Now I got a thing for you, make me wanna sing to you. Put me in a singing mood, I wanna put it.
already. This one is my favorite. Let me see. I think I noticed that. Let's see. Let me see if I'm right before I say anything.
I'm sharing the way you kiss me down in public, got these people staring, and we don't care about cameras. You need an audience for all your ambiance. Let me put my shawty on.
Okay, so I noticed that these two, they're full, but they're not full. And this one is not full at all. So that's my only downfall so far. That they should be all the same, balanced. But other than that, the glitters are pretty, very pretty. So I went ahead and bought these from Amazon. These are 3-gram bottles to do the mixture of the acrylics. So we're going to go ahead and take some of these out so we can go ahead and do our mixture. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first one we're going to do this glitter one. Well, they're all pretty much glitter or iridescent. So we're going to be doing this one first, and I will be using Mia Secrets Clear as my acrylic powder, clear powder. You can use any clear powder that you have, clear acrylic powder that you have to make your mixes. I am comfortable with using Mia Clear Acrylic. It's very easy to use. So this is my first time doing this, you guys. So if I mess up, please forgive me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I guess what we do first is put a little bit of clear acrylic inside of this small container. So I'm just going to go do 2 spoonfuls. And then I'm going to take this glitter and I'm going to use these scoops. This scoop. This is 0.5. I forgot how you say it, but it's 0.5. So I'm just going to do 1 right now because it's already pretty much full. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Maybe like a half one. This right here, and I'm just going to stir it. But actually, I'm going to put the top on. And I'm just going to give it a shake. Alright, so here is the glitter mix. You can't really see the glitter. The camera is doing it no justice, but we're going to swatch them and see what it's looking like. So I'll go ahead and swatch this one so you guys can see. And I don't ever want to come off the wave. Try to catch me if you can, I'm escape. Oh yeah, speeding down Plainfield.
Fast coming out, 5-second handshakes all around. Chasing dreams, all we were allowed. That's the hustle by my mama house. So little change. I've been doing right with what's left. What I got, doing in my way. Repping up the city I left, coming back, so much change.
I remember skating down Plainfield, yeah. Pop the cap, now we easy. Don't play no Simon said. Say no more, got me dead. Sitting on Plainfield, yeah.
Alright, so that was the first mix, guys. Right, so we're gonna do another one. That was this one, the glitter one. All right, so we're gonna do the red one now. So this would be great for Christmas. Christmas is coming up, be some good nail sets for Christmas. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this one. And I'm going to be using the scoop for the clear, to get the clear acrylic as well as this one. So let me scoot you out a little bit. There we go. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 scoops of this. Maybe 2.5. Actually, no. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the glitter in first. I think that's where I was doing it wrong, guys. Like I said, guys, this is the first time doing it, so bear with me. Trying to figure this out. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 scoops of the glitter. Maybe like 1.5. Okay. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe 1 scoop or 1.5 scoop of the clear. Okay, 2. All right, and then we're gonna take this, stir her up, girl, so I can see. Maybe 1 more of the glitter. I mean, not the glitter, the clear. And stir her up a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna do maybe like a little bit more of glitter, just a teeny bit. PGAC, yeah, the old clay skating with the jokers, living life like it was poker, always rolling up the dice like it was something we was token. I always felt like I was chosen, I had clarity in what I wanted, swear it was bespoken. R.I.P. the abuelita always told me I'll be good. She saw me, now she smiled that I'm doing what I should. So this is what she is looking like. That is really pretty. I don't know how you guys feel about the green being in there, but like I said, this can be like Christmas, because it does have that green in it. So this can be really good for a Christmas nail or Christmas set. That's that one. All right, and here is the mix. And these are very easy to work with. You just need to get the ratio right. This one is this is like chunky. This is chunky glitter. It's not ultra fine like the other 2 that I did. So I think I'm just gonna do I don't know, maybe like a half of one, because like I said, this is like chunky. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous, guys. I know the camera is not doing it any justice, but wow. So here is what she is looking like. That is so pretty. I don't got a second to waste. I don't got time. Catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it. Alright, so once again, this is what she is looking like. And here is that glitter. I will leave the links to all the glitters in the description down below, so you guys can check these out. Look at that, you guys. OMG. Oh, all I see is purple. Woo, that purple is so pretty. here is what she is looking like. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see this, but she is gorgeous in person. This camera is doing it no type of justice whatsoever.
Me veo bonita, could care less. No pienses que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Started over differently. Moviendo con intención de whatever me. I don't got a second to waste. Ya no hay time. Catch me if you can, babe.
All right, so we have one more, and this one is my I know it's gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna be doing this purple. Oh, sorry, but yes. Oh,
Giving you a taste at the end of the day. I could care less what comes next, 'cause I'm not falling, just evolving. Lay on my pillow.
okay, with this one, I think I want to put the top on it and shake it, because every time I try to get to the bottom, I always flick it out.
My best. Starting over differently.
Look at that. You guys, if you don't like the color purple, I hope you like it now. But let's swatch her and see how she does.
I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase. Moment on my pillowcase. Catch me if you can, babe. On my way to somewhere far away. If you keep it, I could make a space.
Okay, so here they are, you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. They're all so pretty. Right now my favorite is the purple and the iridescent, but they all look so pretty in person. The camera does it no justice whatsoever. So you can, like I said, you can use this for like Christmas. This would be a very pretty Christmas color. You can use this, the rest of these you can pretty much use them year round. I mean, you can probably use all of them year round, but mainly this one is for Christmas, because it has like a lot of yellow, green and red in that. But they're all so gorgeous, so gorgeous, and they're really easy. The mica powder is very easy to work with. So you can just mix it up with any kind of your favorite clear acrylic. And the only thing that I have a problem with, because like I said, I have did this before, I'm not really sure the ratio of how much clear you're supposed to put in, or how much of the glitter that you're supposed to put in. But other than that, I really did enjoy using them. I will be using these in the near future on a set. So let me know down in the comments which one are your favorite, and I will leave the links to these in the description box down below. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all on my next one. Until then.
Come have a taste.